Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are cooking spaghetti in pesto sauce. So I have my spaghetti boiling, trying to make it not to stick together. So I'm gonna add my salt. Then I add a bit of oil to avoid also being sticky. Then we are gonna cover it up to cook for about 8 minutes as specified on the package. So now I have my onions, which is part of my ingredient for the sauce. So you can also use your white onions. I have these red onions at home, and that is what I would make do with. So I'm cutting it to make it tiny, to make it fine. So we cut it tiny bits. If you're in the diaspora and you're like finding it difficult to find varieties, please be sure to watch my channel, subscribe. I have lovely recipes for you. Please share me out. Here I have my garlic, which I'm also cutting and making it a bit tiny. Make it tiny a bit because you wouldn't want a chunk garlic in your sauce or in your cooking, you know. So now my spaghetti is done. I'm going to sieve the hot water out and wash it with a bit of cold water to cool it down. Now here I have my olive oil, and I'm also going to come in with my butter to make it a bit rich and tasty. So now I'm adding my ingredients, onions and garlic. So we toss it up a bit. So here I have my tiny mushrooms. I love them so much. So we're going to cut them just into 2 parts. And yeah. So here I have my ginger, which I'm grating now, also into the oil to give it a good taste. And I've added also my other spices, which is oregano and basilica. And now here I'm adding my pesto sauce. Come in here now with my heavy cream, a little bit of it. Give it a gentle mix, incorporate everything together. And we allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Allow it cook up for about 5 minutes. Yeah. So then I'm gonna come in a bit with our African pepper. Yeah, this is my crushed dried pepper. As Africans, you know, we cannot cook without our pepper. A bit of it is good. So we incorporate and allow to simmer up for a few minutes. So now I've come in with my spaghetti. I'm putting it to heat a bit to be able to make sure we have enough sauce for the spaghetti. So now I'm mixing up the sauce and the pasta together. I also added my crayfish as part of the spices I use, because I don't use seasoning cubes. I only use my herbs and spices to cook my food, and I tell you, it's really a good option. You know, it's really a good option. When I got in here to where I am in the diaspora, I learned that from some of the chefs I met. They don't really cook with seasoning cubes, and I love it so much, having this natural taste in my cooking. You can also try it. I'll put the list of ingredients I use in the description box. You can check it. Now I'm coming in with my parsley. We add our parsley to it just as you want it, as much as you love to have it there. You can also use your spinach if that is what you have. So then we toss it up together, and let it simmer just for a few minutes for the rich flavor. So we incorporate them well. And then our food is done. Please, if you watch this video up to this moment, I know you have learned one or two things. Please thumbs up the video, share to your friends. Please share me out, help my channel. Without you, this channel is going nowhere. Please support and like, comment. I would love to hear from you. So now our meal is ready, looking so delicious, tasty, presentable. So now I served it with my shrimps. Yes, and I added a bit of cheese. Thank you so much for watching. See us in the next one.